What's going on? It's Bapetown here with another video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information on the latest Bape. Let's get into the video. And bang, here it is. The Bape STA New Collection. The second installment of the Bape STA New Collection, Bape drops 3 new colorways, the gray-white, gray-green, and the gray-orange. Now this time around, instead of the traditional bright colors, Bape takes on a grayscale base, keeping all the shoes in unison, but at the same time, separates and highlights the new color schemes on the individual shoe. The design points on these Bape STAs, similar to the design on last month's Skate STAs, is the pressed Bape Camo overlay on the toe cap and heel counter. Similar to the Gunner Bape STA's Bape Camo overlay, but with the dark palette a bit difficult to see. With the gray color, you can really tell the difference. Other design points, you have the white stamped ape hair logo on the heel counter and the Bape Star text logo on the heel tab. Now separately, looking at the gray-green colorway first, we have that teal green on the toe box, tongue, and Bape Star logo, and black on the outsole, eyelet row, both quarters, and heel tab. Bad boys kind of remind me of the Tiffany dunks or the Elephant Air Maxes. Next up, the gray-orange colorway. A very fall, October, Halloween feel. We have 2 shades of orange. A darker shade on the outsole, eyelet row, and heel tab, and a lighter shade on the toe box, tongue, and Bape Star logo. On the lateral medial quarters, we have that brown. In my opinion, not an everyday wear, but then again, why not stand out every day? Last up, the gray-white colorway. You always have to drop a colorway that matches everything, and general customers will cop. But you know with Bape, even the neutral colorways have to pop, with that all over pressed Bape Camo overlay and that black Bape Star logo. Out of the 3, the colorway that I would personally cop, but the green and orange ones are fresh too. Well, there it is, the Bape STA New Collection. Which one you copping? And as always, these bad boys is on the site, link in the description. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.